Hey guys, welcome to a special, unexplained, unusual episode of Pharmacy Talks and Darshan Talks. And the reason I wanted to have this conversation is something I noticed that's been popping up in my newsfeed. I'm a pharmacist, as some of you guys know. I'm an attorney, and this has been popping up. And I wanted to use this opportunity to talk a little bit because it's unusual, it's unexpected. Basically, FDA came out and said they authorize pharmacists to prescribe Paxlovid with certain limitations. Um, this has gotten a lot of play because pharmacists typically can't prescribe, and it's unusual because pharmacists especially, are very, very happy about the ability to prescribe. I want to clarify that this is not what a lot of people think it means. And again, not giving legal advice. Talk to your attorney for advice that's right for you. But and the key that is important is it's important to read the words. And the key term is authorizes pharmacists to prescribe, as opposed to enables or allows. And the reason that becomes important, and normally there wouldn't be a huge difference between the two, but the FDA does not regulate the practice of pharmacy. So the FDA cannot tell pharmacists you can now prescribe. What they can do is basically say, we won't object if pharmacists prescribe Paxlovid. So it's important to recognize the difference between the two. Some might say, Darshan, you're just misreading it. That's not what it says. However, it enables, and I'm really getting this directly from the FDA's website, it authorizes state licensed pharmacists to prescribe with certain limitations. So it's important to recognize that it's not all the pharmacists, it's only those who have the ability. Those limitations, they should basically refer patients for clinical evaluation with a physician, advanced practice nurse, or authorized under state law to prescribe drugs. I don't know too many state laws that actually enable the prescription of drugs. Obviously, there are some unique situations, things like, for example, if the pharmacist has an agreement with the physician. But it's important to recognize that it does not give pharmacists wholesale ability to suddenly start prescribing if your state does not enable that or allow that. Obviously, if someone disagrees with me, I've spoken to a couple of different friends of mine who are lawyers to see if I'm missing something. But everyone I'm speaking to is coming back with the same basic principle. Again, if you're a lawyer who knows something different, if you're a pharmacist who knows something different, I would love to hear from you, because this is not as groundbreaking as I would think. Obviously, it's still great that we are breaking down some of these barriers to access, but is that the same thing? I'm going to say no, but let's hope that this is a step in the right direction. Love to hear from you guys. Thank you again.